Hello and welcome everyone. Today we'll be doing getting started with Google Cloud and gcloud. For this, log in with your credentials and click Start Lab button. Your login credentials will be available on the left side. Click on Open Cloud Shell to open it in a new tab. Copy your username and password. Click Accept and then choose Confirm. In this lab, we will be choosing US Central 1 as our region. Your cloud console will be ready. Select your region and click Agree and Continue. Open the Cloud Shell from the window on the right corner. Copy the given command in the lab instructions and paste it in your Cloud Shell. Your project ID is available, displayed in the yellow. For the environment variable, copy the commands. Copy your gcloud ID. For the zone, copy the command and type US-central1-A. With this command, you can check the value that has been set. Create a VM instance using the command. Your VM instance is now ready. Click on Check My Progress. You can see 100 by 100 on the scorecard on the right side. And that's all. The lab is now completed. Congratulations guys. Do hit like and share with your friends. Thank you guys for watching.